Okay, so I just shoveled a little path up. Originally it had been as wide as the real path, but I just wanted to do 1 or 2 shovel lengths to give you an idea of how much snow we've had. So here's our stone wall. There's the top of it, and you can see how much snow has accumulated. That's a lot. That's how accurate I am. But you can tell by looking at the roof of the building. George's car isn't much of an indicator because he just cleaned it off. But here is where Tom plowed, and I was going to walk out into the field and step in the snow to show you about how deep it is. Tom did a really nice job. Sorry for the bouncing, I can't walk and talk at the same time apparently. Uh-oh. Okay, so if I go a little bit in here, past the apple tree, past where Tom plowed originally, ooh, I am well, oof, there's my leg, that's my knee, and so the snow is about to my knee, so that's not super tall because I'm short, but that's well over a foot. Isn't it beautiful? Welcome to Klock Hollow in the winter.